Hi everyone, this is Susie. So today we're going to be making a feminine wipe or butt wipe spray, and this works for both. I use them for both. So these are the ingredients we'll be using. I have some distilled water, aloe vera juice, is it, or liquid, whatever it's called. Some witch hazel. I have lavender scent, some Castile soap, rose water, and lavender essential oil and tea tree oil. And you're going to need obviously some paper towels and a spray. And I like doing the spray better versus the where you soak this whole thing and then just grab the wipes. I just like to cut them up, put them in a little container, and then every time, and I just like this. So I cut them in half. So every time I use it, I just spray on it and then use it, and I don't flush this in the toilet. I just throw it in the garbage. So yeah, I think that's it. So let's get started. Okay, so I have 2 cups of the distilled water, and I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of the aloe vera. Now I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of the rose water, and this is optional. If you don't have rose water, you don't have to use it. And now 1/4 of a cup of the witch hazel, and it can be any scent or unscented. That's up to you. Okay, so if you're going to use the store-bought Castile soap, and this also could be any scent you like, you use 1 teaspoon of this, but I'm going to use the one that I make from bar soap, the Castile bar soap that I have the recipe for. And this is so you guys can see that it stays pretty liquid. So this one I'm going to add 2 since it is, oops, a little bit more than 2, since it is a little bit more diluted than this one. So I'm going to add just a little bit more. You can see it stays liquid. It does get a little bit, I don't know if you can see the little white flecks in there. When it gets too cold, I've noticed that it kind of starts to, is it coagulate? I don't know what it is. But then in the warmer weather, it just dissolves completely and it looks just like this one. Only a little bit lighter in color, obviously, but yeah. Okay, so we're going to add 12 drops of the lavender. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then 6 drops of the tea tree oil. And I always put it in a little dropper. Something like that. Oops. Why do I smell? I always smell stuff. Okay, so I cleaned up my mess. And again, like I say, if you want to smell it and try it out, and if you want to add a little bit more, or different essential oils, if you want to change it up a little bit. I don't know what else to put. I've never done any other scents, so these are the only 2 that I've ever tried. And it smells really good. It doesn't have a very strong scent, but it smells so fresh. So fresh and so clean. Okay, so now we're just going to pour this into our little spray bottle. And then you want to label it. I put butt wipe spray on this one, so I also put it down here. Okay, so now I grab my paper towel and I fold it like this, and like this, and I cut through it. And you can do this while you're watching television or a YouTube video or something, and then I just do a whole bunch, and I put them in these Ziploc bags to keep the extras in here, and then I have my little containers in the bathroom like underneath it. And what I do when I go out, so okay, so let's say you're in the bathroom and you're going to use it, so you just spray it like that, and then you just use it and you throw it in the garbage. And if I'm going out, you know how they sell those, I think they're called feminine wipes, that they come in these little packages? Well, these are my feminine wipes, so I will spray like 5 or 6 of them like that, and then I just put them in my little Ziploc bag, and then I just carry these in my purse, so every time you have to use the toilet, you just take one out, you use it, you throw it in the garbage. Like I say, I don't really flush these because I'm afraid it's going to clog or something, so just make sure you throw it like where they put the, what is it, sanitary napkins or whatever they're called. That's where I throw them. And so I usually like to keep these for no more than like 5 days, so only do a few at a time if you're going to go out. Don't keep them there for like days. 1, because they'll dry out, and then 2, because then they'll start smelling, so you don't want that to happen. Okay? So I think that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.